Discover the new standard in advanced security locks, M-Genius by TownSteel. M-Genius is the only mechanical interconnect lock with 2 locks in one and secure access through a dead latch and deadbolt system that works together. Rotate the thumb turn just over 90 degrees clockwise to engage passage mode, which leaves your latch bolt unlocked. Rotate the thumb turn back to the home position to automatically lock your door. Then simply lift the lever to lock or push down to unlock both bolts at the same time. When leaving the property, lift the outside lever again to throw the deadbolt for double security. The dead latch is always locked automatically and requires only one key to unlock both the latch and deadbolt. TownSteel designs, engineers, and builds every component of its locks without compromise. Get next-generation security today with TownSteel's Total Lock Solutions. TownSteel secures your property like a vault.